guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another MiNiBRANDS Mini Minis Fill the Fridge. Let's go. Okay. Ooh, almost knocked y'all out. Oh, this one's weird. Oh, there it is. This one's better on this side. Ooh, nice. Okay. What is that? Just random paper in there. Okay, never seen that before. Okay, first we have a magnet. It's gonna be the ABCDE. Pretty sure we already have that one, but that's okay. If we get one new thing per ball, I mean, I'll take it. What is this? These might be the wings. If I can open it. Okay. Oh yeah. Which side does it go? On that side? Oh, well, we have the Pizza Hut wings. Pretty sure we have those. Could be wrong. Again, I forgot my list. Whoopsie. Try again next time. I don't know if we have this one or not. I think we do. I think we do. Pet Express, maybe General Tso's chicken? Maybe? What's this? Oh, Hershey's syrup. Got plenty of those. Lamb chops. We have those. Juice. We have juice. Nice. More kombucha. Alright, well, I don't think we got anything new in that ball, but that's alright. Hopefully on the next one. See y'all later. Bye.